Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go. Well, today, I'm gonna do something y'all asked for. I mean, y'all blew up the comments with it. Y'all just went crazy. Y'all was like, I asked if y'all wanted a tutorial, and y'all answered. Y'all wanted a tutorial. So here is a tutorial on how to get 2-strand twists. Supplies that you will need is really Eco Styler gel. That's really it. You just twist your hair and put this on the ends. After you twist it, you put it on the ends and like this. Twist the ends up like this. That's really it. Alright, what you do is, here, I'm gonna undo one for you. Which one? I'll undo this one for you. Alright, what you do is, let me get it undone. Get on a twist. Okay. Alright, look. What you do is you get 2 strands of hair. There's 2 strands of hair. That's it. 2 strands. They can be big strands, small strands. It don't even matter. It's whatever you prefer. But you get 2 strands of hair like this, and you just get them. What I do is, like, as I twist them, I pull them down so they'll hang down when I'm done. You feel me? So if you want them to hang down, you pull them down while you twist them, and you just twist them in any direction you want. I'm going counterclockwise because that's just what I do. You can go any way you want to, clockwise or counterclockwise, it don't matter. But make sure you twist it up tight. Just keep twisting like this. As you can see, this takes a while just for one strand of hair, just for one twist. So if y'all gonna do this, y'all gotta have some patience. Y'all gotta have some patience. Okay, I'm still twisting. Okay. I'm trying to get it right. Okay. Here we go. Now once you get down to the end. Okay, look how it turned out. Nicely twisted. Now when you get down to the end, what you wanna do is get your Eco Styler gel or any gel that works for you. Any styling gel that really works for you, use it. Yeah, I just kind of noticed I was standing a little too close to the camera. My fault, I know. Personal space. My fault. Alright, now what you do, you get just a touch. I got a touch of that. Where'd it go? Okay, it was this one. No, it wasn't. It was this one. Okay, now what you do is you get the Eco Styler gel, and you just put it on the end. You can rub it all throughout. It don't really matter. You can put it on your hair before you twist it and then twist it. It don't matter. And you just twist it up. Twist up the ends. So it'll stay there. See, as you can see, I got that little curl. You know what I'm saying? And that's really it. It's you get 2 strands of hair. 2 strands of hair. And if you want them to hang down like this, you have to pull them down, then twist them. Same for the back. Now the back can get difficult. I gotta pivot my whole body like this and everything. The back can get difficult, but it is doable. It is doable. And now after your 2-strand twist, if you want to sleep on it or whatever, you can use some bands, tie it up. You can like tie it up or you can tie it down. It don't matter, whatever you prefer. Or you can use a do-rag. That's what I use. I just put this on at night, lay it down, wake up, do whatever I gotta do to it. Now that is your 2-strand twist tutorial. Not that hard, very simple. It's just time consuming, okay? It's just time consuming. So before you do this, make sure you have plenty of time today. So, because it's very time consuming. Have some snacks, some water, some juice, whatever you want on standby, because you might need it. If you did enjoy this tutorial, bro, if you enjoyed this tutorial, put a like down there. Just ding, hit that like button for me. Matter of fact, you know what? Ding, hit that bell too. Hit that bell too so you get notified every time I post a video and don't miss out on anything. Also, hit that subscribe button for your boy. And if you're new to this channel, welcome to this channel. I hope you don't ever leave this channel. Hope you stay a nice, loyal person to the TJ mob. Yes, we is a mob. This is the TJ mob. But yes, this was the hair tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give a like down below. Comment more videos I want to see. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And thank you. This has been TJtv. And I'm out.
Y'all already know what to do at this point. Hit that subscribe button. Never miss another video. Be a part of TJ Squad and be connected all around. Thank you.